Hi everyone, I ordered this lonely pen, just a single one, off of, I think it was Shopee. So Shopee is kind of like a Asian Amazon, I guess. But most of these items are pretty much off of like AliExpress or Alibaba anyways. But I ordered this one when I was looking through the inexpensive fountain pens, and this one is from Jinhao. I looked at these Jinhao 82s, and they have tons of multicolored pens, and I was really interested in possibly getting a color, like one of each color of the rainbow, so that I could also collect inks that were one of each color of the rainbow. Because I kind of find it fun to use the color pen and ink that is like a nice combination. I've seen a couple of people do that, and I don't know, it seems very appealing to me. But this one I saw, it's the colorful version of the Jinhao 100. And I think they call this one the Centennial. And I thought the colors were nice, but mine didn't have that many rainbow-esque colors in it. Like I don't really see too many pinks. There's just like this little one section here of this pinky purple. I think this is resin, but it's kind of cool and caught my eye. So I thought I would try it out. It's an extra fine nib, and it says Jinhao there. I'm pretty sure this is just steel, and it kind of looks used. Like it kind of looks dirty, but that's how I received it. There's a little cartridge inside. So these are all the pieces of this pen. It doesn't feel like the most high quality, but really I've experienced the Twisby Diamond 580, a Quaco, and for a short period of time I actually had a Decimo, but I think I didn't really enjoy that experience. So today I'm going to ink up this pen, this Jinhao 100 in colorful, with the electric blue spiderly. I've really been obsessed with this ink, and I thought that this kind of like shading purplish blue color would be kind of nice in this. I will often use a syringe and needle to fill up these pens instead of filling directly from the ink bottle. I don't know, it feels like it decreases the contamination by a little bit. And I didn't prime or do anything to this pen. Just add it enough for a little, like a half fill. I usually like to push this up to the close to the front, and then click that in there. So I think all of these are steel, or it's definitely not gold, and the rest of this resin is plastic. The pen itself can be, you can add that to the end, but it's not, I don't know, I don't think I need it to be posted. Then let me see. See if it can write immediately. Push that ink into probably will not be able to write immediately. I'm going to kind of dip it on the edge. I think it is coming through. Jinhao 100 in the colorful. So this is the extra fine nib. And the ink is Ink Institute. The extra fine is not bad. I can't tell if this is from what was dipped or if it's actually coming through the feed now. But I think it's probably coming through the feed. It's not bad. I think I like this. But yeah, it seems like a pretty solid pen. So what do you guys think about the Jinhao series? Would you guys get this pen? I think I quite like the extra fine here. I think this was a good purchase. Like I think I got it for under $10. So that was shipping included. But I'm pretty excited about this pen. And I'm going to try to write with it a little bit more. Thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.